Hi there, back again. It's been pretty busy lately. Sold mostly premium snow blowers, either premium or like the cheapest ones in my collection. So that's been kind of interesting. I've also sold quite a few mowers just recently since it started to rain again for like the first time in a couple months. So I've been pretty busy today. I've went out a couple times and I've collected 3 free mowers. And then yesterday I made out pretty well and I bought a couple Honda mowers. I do have an appointment today for someone to come pick up, you know, a pretty basic MTD mower with gas can. So let's go see if it starts. So I don't know if you caught that, but it started well. It did backfire, shoot out the air filter, and then while I tried to pick up the air filter, it mulched it up. Luckily, I got plenty of these. I put some oil on this. It's probably a good idea, since I don't have a cover for the filter, to zip tie it up here. So let's get started. Okay, so let's take a look at a few of the mowers that I picked up for free today. A Black Max with a Honda. Has black oil. Has gas of some sort. Let's see what happens. Clank. Spark plug is unplugged. Let's find out. Okay, so there is some compression, but not much apparently when I spin the blade manually. Let's take a look and see if we can see what the valves look like. Sheared blade adapter key. So I removed this. I had another Honda style blade adapter in my collection. Let's see how that works. I know you want to see how dirty this oil is. Doesn't need a whole lot. We're looking good. So here she is in all her glory. Picked it up. Sounded like it had a bent crankshaft. The blade sounded like it was hitting the inside of the deck. I turned it over. The blade was not hitting any part of the deck. So the crankshaft did not appear to be bent. The blade did not appear to be bent. I took off the recoil, thinking maybe there is something hitting the flywheel. That wasn't the case. I checked the valves. The valves looked just fine. They had some play, not excessive, and they weren't too tight either, so that seemed just fine to me. So I took the blade off and I had the adapter out, and it appeared that, I don't know if this is the correct adapter or what, but there was an excessive amount of play from the shaft to the adapter. So I took this off. I replaced it with a Husqvarna one with a Honda engine that I use for parts. And that fit up perfectly. Had less play in it. I tightened it up. And now there's no clank sound at all. So as you can see, I changed the oil, the air filter. Still looks dang near perfect. Has a bagger. Self-propel works. Starts in one pull now. Runs like a Honda was designed to run. So I'll probably list this for maybe 160. What would you guys list it for? What would you think it's worth? See you next time.